Chief Meteorologist Paul Heggen joining us. Paul, you said we're getting hotter tomorrow?
Yeah, very similar to last Friday, where temperatures are going to be about 10 to 15 degrees above average for inland locations, but even around the bay and near the coast, about 5 to 10 degrees above normal. Let's take a look at the reason why. Big area of high pressure in the atmosphere means sinking air. It's steering the storm track way up to the north. So this is really almost copy and paste situation from what we had last Friday, complete with the weakening of that big area of high pressure later this week, which is going to strengthen the onshore wind and slowly drop our temperatures back. But today was warm, especially inland. 86 degrees for a high temperature in Santa Rosa, 83 in Concord. San Jose reached the upper 70s, 70 on the Button in Fremont, and upper 60s in the city with 61 degrees Half Moon Bay. You can add about 3 or 4 degrees to those temperatures for tomorrow's highs, and we are going to start off above average in the mid to upper 50s by early Tuesday morning. Normal temperatures are around 50 degrees, so we're going to be reaching up into the low to mid 70s around the bay tomorrow. That's 5 to 10 degrees above normal. Talking low to mid 80s farther inland, some spots even reaching up to the upper 80s, so that's a very warm forecast, feeling more like June as opposed to late April. Here are those high temperatures. Let's take a look at the South Bay first. Mostly low to mid 80s, up to 83 degrees around San Jose, even 86 degrees from Morgan Hill. Mid to upper 60s along the coast, but that's several degrees warmer than today. Farther inland for the East Bay, there's our warm spot. Brentwood getting up close, but not quite, to 90 degrees with 88 in Antioch. Low to mid 80s for the Tri-Valley, same thing around Concord. Temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 60s to low 70s around the bay itself. Just depends exactly on your proximity and when that onshore breeze is going to kick in. It will happen, so that high temperature of 70 degrees in San Francisco is going to happen by about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We spend the rest of the day slowly dropping back with that onshore wind. Temperatures for the North Bay, low to mid 80s, very warm, and northern Sonoma and northern Napa County is going to be getting toasty into the upper 80s for high temperatures. But tomorrow is the warmest day of the week. We're going to experience a gradual cooling trend that starts on Wednesday with temperatures dropping back a bit, especially by the water near the coast and along around the bay. Those temperatures drop more and more as we head towards the end of the work week, and the weekend brings us almost exactly normal temperatures. Not even a hint of rain in sight. Some of the forecast models are trying their best to give the North Bay a few sprinkles on Saturday and Sunday. We'll keep an eye on that, but we are heading towards the statistical beginning of our dry season in the middle of May, so the lack of rain is not exactly a surprise. Lots of good weather to tempt you to go outside over the next several days. Alan and Liz, just make sure you're maintaining that 6-foot distance.
And wear the mask.
Yes.